Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and honorable lecturer. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Jana Timopoulos and my student ID number is 2223250055 and I'm from class 2F majoring in English education. Today, I am making this video to fulfill my final term examination project for the extensive reading subject. In this video presentation, I am going to share and explain my best reading report from the portfolio that I have compiled throughout this semester. Out of the five texts that I have read, the story that gave me the strongest personal influence is a very beautiful and meaningful short story titled Thank You Ma'am, written by Langston Hughes. Now let's get into the detail of the story. Let me start with a brief summary. The story begins on a dark night when a teenage boy named Roger Edson to steal the pocket box or purse of a large woman named Miss Laura Bates Winston Jones. However, because the force is so heavy, Roger loses his balance and falls down. Instead of calling the police, Miss Jones kicked him right in his blue jeans. Stitcher drags him back to her furnished room and makes him wash his dirty face. During the conversation, Miss Jones discovers that Roger does not have anyone at home to take care of him, and he only wanted money to buy a pair of blue shoes. Understanding his situation from her own fast experience, she cooks and shares a warm meal with him. In the end, Mrs. Jones surprisingly gives him $10 to buy the shoes and sends him on his way. Roger is deeply moved by this gesture and can barely say thank you ma'am before she closes the door. At the look critically, I would like to evaluate its strengths and weakness based on my reading experiences. The greatest strength of this short story is it is very short yet incredible, wonderful narrative. The vocabulary selection is effective. The dialogue feels natural, and the contrast between Roger's intense fur and Miss Jones' touch love is very well written, making it easy for readers to feel the deep vibes of the story. However, looking at the weakness, the author does not fully explore Roger's background. It leaves the readers curious about his family life and the exact reason why he was wandering around alone on the street so late at night. Personally, this story gave me the strongest influence out of all the texts I have read this semester. The moral of this story is truly beautiful. It teaches us about how the kindness and fairness of someone's heart can completely change other person's characteristic mentally, and the way that someone sees the world with a better point of view. Furthermore, Miss Jones' action teach me a profound lesson about forgiveness. Instead of reacting with anger or punishment to someone fault, she chose to treat with dignity and trust. It made me realize that showing compassion can be a much more effective tool to transform someone's bad personality into something positive. In conclusion, thank you, ma'am, is a timeless speech of literacy, fiction, and realism that goes beyond a simple narrative. It is a powerful reminder that empathy and grace can help people fare better than punishment ever could. Therefore, I highly recommend this short story to everyone, especially to students, because it teaches us to look beyond people's mistakes and practice empathy is our daily lives. To fulfill the assessment requirement, I would also like to respond to potential question regarding this project. Question number 1. Why do you think Mrs. Chance decided to trust Roger alone with her force inside her room after he tried to rob her? Answer for number 1. I believe Miss Chance wanted to give Roger a real kiss and test his integrity by leaving her force completely unattended on the bed while she cooked. She saw him absorb trust. This unique fact that trust is actually what changed Roger's mind, making his sit where she could easily see him because the didn't want to be mistrusted anymore. Question number 2. What is the significance of the title "Thank You, Ma'am" to the character development of Roger? Answer number 2. The title represents the deep, unspoken gratitude and overwhelming emotion that Roger felt. He was so stunned and moved by Miss Chance's unique faith kindness that he could briefly pronounce the word properly before the door closed. It signifies that a small single act of pure compassion can leave massive permanent mark on a person's life path. I think that is all from my finally project presentation for extensive reading. Thank you very much for your time, attention, and for listening to my journey. Have a wonderful day and goodbye. See you. Thank you for watching.